welcome back to our YouTube channel, and it's Chloe here. Today I will show you how to make kimchi fried rice. All you need is 200 grams kimchi, half a yellow onion, 5 sausages, 20 grams spring onion, and 3.5 cup cooked rice. Cut your kimchi finely using scissors. It should look like this. Slice the sausages thinly. Finely chop the spring onions. And finely chop the onion. Heat 3 tablespoons oil in a wok over medium-high heat. Then add the onions and cook for 2 minutes. Add the kimchi and cook for 2 minutes. Stir in sliced sausages. Then add rice and cook for 5 minutes, stirring frequently. Season with 2 tablespoons light soy sauce and half tablespoon gochugaru. Mix well. Finally, stir in the spring onions. Top your kimchi fried rice with a fried egg. Our kimchi fried rice is ready! You can serve it with extra kimchi and seaweed soup. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with friends. Bye! See you in my next video! Yummy!